Remove iTunes encrypted backup password. Step 1. Launch Screen Unlock Tool. Download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer. Navigate to Toolbox, Screen Unlock, iOS to launch the specific tool on a new window. Step 2. Continue with the required function. As it launches and opens on a new window, continue to select Remove iTunes Backup Encryption to proceed with this function. Step 3. Connect iOS device. You will be advised to connect your iOS device to the computer through a USB cable. Step 4. Continue with the execution of the process. Once the device is connected and detected by the platform, it will display a message. Along with it would be the Remove Now button that will automatically remove the iTunes backup password. Before clicking Remove Now, please read the 3 notes carefully. Make sure Find My iPhone is off. Do not open iTunes in the process. Your device will reboot in the process of removing. Step 5. View completion of the removal. A prompt window opens on the initiation of the process. Use the X button on the top right of the prompt window to stop the operation if needed. Step 6. Complete iTunes encrypted backup password removal. Once the encrypted backup password is removed successfully, a message is displayed on the window. Click Done to close down the window.